Now, there are 8 players on each team at the final today, but there was a whole classroom back at Moyvore and St Hugh's to help research and design the builds.
Each team took a different approach, and for St Hugh's Funfair of the future, they looked to the past.
For our fun fair, we're getting inspired by like our local history, and we have like a book which is called Fire on the Mountain, and this has like all our local history.
So basically I'm just reading here about the Miles McTigg. He was the first person in Dowra to invent a mill. This story has inspired one of our attractions.
Accessibility is a key factor in the build, and Moyvore did some one-on-one research by speaking to their schoolmate Aaron's mum.
We'd like to focus on Aaron's abilities rather than his disabilities. So what's he like doing at the moment?
He's walking using his walker, and sometimes he uses his wheelchair when he gets tired.
Does Aaron ever feel left out?
I think he does sometimes. If he was going to a park, I would ask him if he would like to go in and play, and he would say no, but I think it's just because there's nothing suitable for him to use in there.
What do you think Aaron would like in a fun fair?
I think to be able to go on every ride just like everyone else can, and if there was maybe a harness in the seats to buckle Aaron in.
We don't want to exclude anyone from our fun fair. We want it accessible for everyone.
It's just really not fair if some people can use the fun fair rides and some people just can't.
Accessibility is one important aspect, and so is sustainability, which St Hugh's have been looking into.
To be sustainable, the Ferris wheel, when it's spinning, it's going to create hydroelectricity. We're just trying to build a practice wheel just to see like how everything fits and all.
Well, we planned it out on paper first, and then we kind of practiced it on Minecraft to see if we had like enough room and stuff.
Well, you have to actually know where you're building the blocks to put them. Sometimes we make mistakes and then we like draw it out in the board to see how could we fix that mistake.